Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Healthcare with Yusra. Today I am making delicious biryani for leftover curry. So let's get started. Now I am going to take 2 large tomatoes, 5 red chilies and any leftover curry. At this time I am taking aloo chicken salan and aloo ki katli. In the beginning I am taking a large pot, add oil. Quantity also mentioned inside. Preheat the oil, then add cumin seeds, bay leaf and ginger garlic paste. Cook 2 minutes and stir continuously in between. After that, add chopped tomatoes and red chilies. Add salt. And then Shan Bombay Biryani Masala. You can add any biryani masala and even homemade masala also. If you want to learn how to make homemade biryani masala, you can tell me in comment box. I will make separate video for homemade biryani masala. Then I am adding aloo chicken curry. In this biryani, I am not adding extra spices because we have to balance the spices of chicken curry. Then add 1 large lemon. After boiling, add 10 minutes soaked basmati rice. Then wait for the boil. In between, you can taste spice like salt and chili. If you feel less salty or less spicy, so you can add more. Now add remaining aloo ki katliyan and red onion. If you want to add mint and coriander, so you can. Simmer for 20 minutes. Now your biryani is ready. You must try this. It's easy to make and delicious in taste. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel.